85 and Route 161 with Deer Run Road, sponsored by the Connecticut Department of Transportation. We were supervised under Jordan Pike and Michael Loris. We are Group 1 under Dr. John Ivan, who is a professor at the University of Connecticut. This project is taken under the section of Transportation and Site Design for Senior Design. My name is Sarah, and my team and I were asked to propose some design alternatives to the Department of Transportation for the intersection of Route 85 and Route 161 in Montville, Connecticut. The intersection currently has issues with safety, capacity, and operations. We have 2 design alternatives that will be displayed in further detail, and how as a team we preferred one over the other. Now here is Nick with the existing conditions of our site.
I will be covering the existing conditions for our project. When looking at our original intersection, we are met with a variety of issues that cause delay in traffic, a large amount of queuing, and a risk of accidents. From Figure 1, we can see there are a large amount of queuing occurring from both the north and southbound sides of Route 85. When vehicles attempt to turn west onto Route 161, we can see a large queue of vehicles, which causes both delays and potential crashes. When looking at the first constraint, we can see that one of the reasons is that it causes delay because vehicles are blocked up from that driveway. When looking at the chart from the CT crash data repository, we can see that between the years of 2017 and 2019, there have been 14 crashes that are caused by vehicles turning west onto Route 161. To combat this, we moved the intersection further south on Route 85 to connect with Deer Run Road. Here at Deer Run Road, we are limited by the property lines marked in red. From here, we'll consider our different alternatives with Federico.
I'll be covering our 2 alternatives to alleviate the crashes and to improve safety and operation for our intersection. We modeled 2 different alternatives in Vism in order to analyze how this would affect safety, queue time, and queue length for the intersection. The first alternative we modeled was a roundabout. The roundabout model showed a significant amount of traffic and queue lengths, which would cause delays at the intersection. It would improve overall safety, but it would have too much of an impact on delays, so we did not choose this for our final design. The second alternative we modeled was the addition of a left turn lane. The left turn lane model showed a low amount of traffic and queue length, and it also improved safety, so this was the best model to follow for our final design. Here is Shiv with the realignment and final project design.
Hello, I'll be covering the realignment of Route 161 and how we ended up with our final design. As you can see, Route 161, we realigned it to meet with Deer Run Road on Route 85, and it became a new intersection. Moving 161 to this new location helped create a larger distance between this intersection and another major intersection down the road. This ultimately leads us to having less cars being backed up. For the realignment continued image, these are just a close-up of what we designed, and we had many constraints to consider when doing this design, especially with complicated property lines and focusing on driver safety. At the end of this realignment, we focused on creating an intersection that was not as problematic as the ones before. And this intersection has the new 161 going through Butlertown Road and the old leg of Route 161. The old 161 is now a dead-end street with a cul-de-sac. Our final chosen design, as you can see from our 2 alternatives, was the left turn lane. We had a tapered right lane, the right turn lane for traffic on our new Route 161 merging onto Route 85. We have a tapered left turn lane going northbound on Route 85 for traffic turning onto the new Route 161. We also have both a left and a right turn lane for traffic southbound on Route 85, and that can turn into Deer Run Road or Route 165 without backing up the center lane that is going straight on Route 85. This right here is our cost estimation, and we worked on a general cost estimation for this project, which included signalization, striping, and the removal and addition of concrete and pavement, which came out to $1.3 million for this project. And we'd like to just tell you thank you for your time, and should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at the following emails. Thank you.